Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Filter Assy-Air Cleaner, part #ADQ75493301. The LG Electronics Filter Assy-Air Cleaner, part #ADQ75493301 is a replacement air filter for LG refrigerators. It is designed to help reduce odors and keep the air in your refrigerator clean and fresh. The filter is made of activated carbon, which helps to absorb odors and other airborne particles. It also helps to reduce the amount of dust, pollen, and other allergens in the air. The filter should be replaced every 6 months or when it becomes visibly dirty. This filter is compatible with select LG refrigerators and can be easily installed in the BAC. This part fixes the following symptoms. This filter assembly is designed to help reduce odors and improve air quality in your home. It can help reduce allergens, dust, pet dander, and other airborne particles. It can also help reduce smoke and other odors from cooking or smoking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old filter assembly from the unit by pressing down on the tab and pulling it out. 3. Insert the new filter assembly into the unit, making sure that it is properly seated and secure. 4. Plug in the power cord to the wall outlet and turn on the unit to ensure that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.